Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your Windows machine. Enable virtualization in BIOS and free up at least 50 GB. Once done, install VMware Workstation Player or VirtualBox and add the required extension pack. Next, obtain a compatible Mac OS image, pick Catalina or later for stability, and create a new virtual machine configured with 4+ CPU cores, 8+ GB RAM, and 50+ GB disk. Make sure to apply VMware Unlocker if you chose VMware, so the VM recognizes Mac OS as a guest. Once the VM is created, configure resources. Assign 4 or more cores, 8 to 16 GB RAM, 50 to 100 GB SSD storage, and at least 2 GB video memory. This ensures Final Cut Pro performs acceptably. Boot into the Mac OS installer and complete the setup. You can sign in with an Apple ID to download apps later or skip and sign in after installation. After Mac OS is running, install VMware Tools or VirtualBox Guest Editions to enable high-resolution, USB pass-through, and shared clipboard for smoother file transfers. You now install Final Cut Pro from the Mac App Store. Sign in with your Apple ID, download, and install the app. Make sure to mount shared folders or connect a USB drive to transfer your media into the VM, and test a short project with 1080p export to verify performance. If Final Cut Pro crashes or is sluggish, first increase VM CPU/RAM and ensure VMware tools are up to date. If problems persist, check GPU pass-through or video memory settings. Adjusting those usually resolves rendering or playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.